Hey, what is up, guys? I am LynnLifeFitLife. I'm going to be walking us through how to access your workouts, the nutrition guides, all of the recipes, our accountability group, and beyond. So chances are you're receiving this video because it might be in your welcome email or you are in our current wellness group. Hi and welcome. I'm so excited to work with you and to just make this first month with you amazing. And the tips that I'm about to share in this 10-minute video with you are going to be supremely vital to your success over the next first month. I've been doing health and wellness for my entire life. My grandmother was one of the first female nutritionists in Northern Kentucky and Cincinnati area, as also a dietitian in the hospitals up there. It's in my blood to, one, to help people, and two, nutrition. Nutrition is huge. Working out, we're all going to be on different journeys. We're all going to love different styles of exercise throughout different points in our lives. But nutrition is key for all of us to really feel that mental clarity and that success. And then when we pair fitness and nutrition together, our world can just completely change. And I'm here to help you do that. So as a coach, just as a few quick reminders before I dive in and show you how to access the workouts and everything like that, I'm here to help you and support you across your entire wellness journey. And I will be here whenever you need me. However, I won't be able to make you do anything. I'm not going to be the one that's going to physically pull you out of bed. I'm not going to be there late at night when you need me, because that's when you need yourself. That is when you need to be able to control your mind and say, I got this, and you need to be able to rely on yourself and nobody else. Coaches are here to support you. Coaches are here to give you encouragement. Coaches are here to give you education and also be in the trenches with you. We're also on a health and wellness journey as well, and we want to do this with you and alongside of you, and hopefully one day even coach next to you. But we need you to level up and extend your hand, because our hands are extended and ready and willing to help you. But I need you to also reach out your hand and say, I'm going to rely on myself and myself only. No one else can take away your greatness except for you. You are in charge of your own life. And once we start owning that, that's when we start to get the results that we need, versus leaning on anybody else or making excuses on anything else. When we take that initiative ourselves and we start to own who the F we are, things get to become really fun, and we get to start running with each other versus me saying, you got this, which I will gladly do for as long as you want me to. But it also is really cool when I see some of my clients turn into coaches and they even start coaching me on things. That is what I would love to see from you. So these little tidbits that I'm going to share with you over the next 10 minutes, I want you to really take to heart, even if it means watching this video again and again. Take it to heart, and let's get into this. Okay, so beachbodyondemand.com is where you're going to go in order to access our workouts. I'm going to share a screen here. So beachbodyondemand.com, you're going to log in with your email and your password, and we're going to select programs. Now, where it says recently watched, what you see on your website might not be what you see up here. So we can scroll down. We're going to go to new and featured. There's MBF, MBFA. Now, if you're in my fall winter program, we're going to be working from MBF, MBFA, the prep, and the work the most. Those are the fitness programs that we're going to be using. But just for this case, we're going to head over into the relaxation and meditation guide. And what I want to show you is where it says start here. We have view meditations. How can meditations actually help us? And it lets us know how we can get into the routine of meditation. So at the beginning of every single program, there is something little that can show us even postures, how to move our bodies accordingly to the program, when and what time is the best potentially to do the program. So make sure you're looking at the very front page, getting to know the trainers that are in charge of the programs, and then meditations. You can either scroll down here or scroll down there. And what I love is it says we're into the hypnosis thing now, which I think is so cool because I've seen it work on people. I personally have never been hypnotized, but I do believe that mindset is key to living a healthy lifestyle. Always. So we have smooth sailing, back to sleep, melting stress away, simply being. I mean, how great is that? So we have a lot and lots of new meditation guides in here that I would love for you guys to take and use with you, in addition to any of the fitness programs that we're also doing. These can be done at any point in time in addition to the fitness programs. Now, workouts, there's just no rhyme or reason to it. It's the same thing as programs, except they're just kind of scattered all over the place. Now, we're going to head over into recipes. Now, you guys, this is just amazing because you can select gluten-free, high in fiber, high in protein, no dairy. You can literally create your own and narrow it down as if you were shopping, but you're going to find your right recipe for you. So in order to find the right recipes, we're going to head back over to programs, and we're going to go ahead and look at the Nutrition Center. Now, the Nutrition Center it's the introduction to all of this. So 2B Mindset, these are going to be unlocked for you all. I'm just on a different, I am on a different link. I'm currently using Justin's. So, that's why this is locked right now. So we're going to head over into Introduction to Nutrition. And again, starting here are the 2 main nutrition programs: an intuitive eating program and also a carb cycling program, intermittent fasting program, portion control, everything like that. And then Introduction to Shaco. Shaco is absolutely vital to our journey on this, along with the performance stack. Now, I'm going to get back to these 2 things here in a second. But the next thing I want you to come over and look into is BOD groups. So chances are you're going to be over here in this Hall Pass to Healthy. So all you're going to do is you're going to click this, and if you're not a part of it yet, you're just going to ask to join, and I will be accepting you. And in this, you can also download the app, and you'll be able to log your workouts and everything like that. So if you get onto Beachbody On Demand and you do not see my group here, not even Hall Pass, but even just me, group run by Lynn Hafley, if you do not see that as an option in your BOD group, then we need to get you connected with me or to your correct coach, because it should be showing up in your back office automatically that my group is there for you to join every single month. I have a group that's been a new group running every single month for the past 5 years. So if you don't see a group from me when you select BOD groups, message me, make sure that we get you into the right group. And now with the blog, I love this because this is also another place to just find more mindset tips, more recipes, 5 benefits of a 10-minute meditation, why do you crave sweet, salt, and fat, just fabulous things to read and learn about to help our own wellness journey, right? Okay, so next thing, we are gonna head back over into home, and we are going to head into, let me stop this screen. So what probably came in your package was you have access to all of these workouts, but chances are you received a challenge pack. And a challenge pack, you had access. If you haven't received these yet, these probably will be in the mail. You have the Ultimate Portion Fix, the 2 nutrition programs that I just showed you, the Ultimate Portion Fix and the Intuitive Eating Guide Tracker, along with the portion control containers and probably another mug, a shaker mug. And then in addition to these things, because we get access to the nutrition guides and a Beachbody On Demand, in addition to these things, we either received Shaco, a 24 sampler pack of Shaco, or the performance stack. Now, I want to talk with you a little bit more about these 2 things, and I want to show you how to change up your order in the future, because what I need you to do right now, pull out your phone, from 4 weeks from the time that you ordered your challenge pack, I need you to make a little note in your calendar to say, make a decision, put it in your calendar, and you're going to do whatever 4 weeks out from when you ordered your challenge pack, and make a little note saying, make a decision on my next order. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change your next order, because what happens is when we get a box like this is a 24 pack box, maybe you end up liking chocolate the most, and we're going to get you for the second month, we're going to get you a full bag of chocolate. This is obviously vegan strawberry, but we're going to get you a full 30-day supply of chocolate, because this is just a 24 supply. This is your first month. You get to try more options. You get to start including this into your routine more often, making sure that you're drinking this on the regular, from the moment you get it, you got to start taking these things, because it is your daily vitamin, and you will get the most out of the challenge pack in this group when you make that dedication to not missing a day. Because I'll tell you what, when I did this for the first time, because I didn't think that I was going to feel the difference. I was already consuming so many different vitamins that I ordered from this doctor out in Arizona, holistic vitamins from this doctor. When I started taking this, when I was off it for 3 days, I got a sinus infection. That's how much this gave my body the ability to fight off free radicals, to fight off stressors, to give my body energy from the inside out. My mind was clear. My muscles weren't as sore. I had just everything. The moment this hits your doorstep, 24 packs, make sure you consume that. Find your favorite recipes with this stuff. Even if you don't like one of the flavors, mix it with water and just chug it. It is your daily vitamin at the end of the day. It is good to get into a routine of using it for self-care and finding that time in our day for just 3 to 5 minutes to give ourselves to make an awesome smoothie. However, at the end of the day, it is vitamins, and we just need to get it into our system. And you need to take this the moment it hits your doorstep and be consistent with it. So from the time, remember, if you haven't, go and set that alarm if you haven't gotten that yet, okay? Go and set that alarm right now. Because I need you to decide if you're gonna go from a 24-pack sampler to a 30-day bag, or if you're gonna go from a 24-pack sampler to maybe you wanna try the performance stack, right? Or vice versa. If maybe you have the performance stack and you're ready to try Shaco, or if you're ready to try both and you're ready to become a discount member and include this into your life more often. We get these things, we get 2 Shacos a month, we get 2 performance stacks a month. Justin uses it, I use it. It actually ends up saving us money because we know what money's going out. And this is a supplement in itself. We use this as a snack, not just as a recovery thing right after a workout. This has high protein in it that we can use as a snack versus reaching for crackers or sweets or anything like that. And plus, this tastes amazing. It's chocolate, and it tastes like just chocolate brownie batter, but it doesn't have that, like, you don't get tired of the flavor. So an Energize is something that we can use not just before a workout, but this is something we can use during our day. This is something that we can use in addition to another cup of coffee. This is something that Justin takes before we clean the house. This is something that you can take maybe before you go out, or you just need that little like mental clarity, pick me up, whatever it is. This can be used other than just a pre-workout. So again, you guys, making sure that you are using this your first month. The second it hits your doorstep, use it, because I promise you will feel the amazing effects of it the second you use it. And in that calendar, when that goes off, you're going to make the decision to either stick with this the next month, stick with this the next month, keep the different flavors coming, or if you want to move to a 30-day bag, right? Okay, so let me show you how to change your order after your first month. So what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Team Beachbody, and then at the very top, it's going to say my account, my orders, and then sign out. So obviously you need to be signed in for it to say this. We're going to go to my orders, right? And what I also love is that you can actually halt an order for a month or 2 out from now too. So if you go into my orders, Shaco, strawberry, hydrate, other things, and you can click for details, you can change it, you can change your payment methods, shipping address, etc. So that is all here for you guys to change in the future. And now also remember, when that alarm goes off, you're also eligible to receive and sign up as a discount coach member. So this can be 25% off next month, or the performance stack will be 25% off the second month when you sign up as a discount coach member. You'll be saving roughly around $20 per month when you sign up as a discount member. And even if you were to halt an order a month out, you'll still be saving money as a discount member, even if you're receiving this stuff once every 2 to 3 months as a discount member. So that also leaves it open for you to receive 25% off of anything else like collagen, hydrate, the 3-day refresh, whenever a new program comes out, any exercise equipment or gear, you have 25% off as a discount coach member. And then on top of that, you have the ability to be added into what is called our Fit Life Tribe coaching member page. This is where we all just share different just tips and tricks like sneaker recommendations and just backing up my goals with action and just nice, fun calendars and things like that. So that is what you get in addition to becoming a discount coach member, not only a 25% off discount, but then you get added into our FitLife Tribe coach member page, and you get access to everything a little bit more sooner than everybody else. And then you also just get that added accountability 24/7 between groups all the time. So that's the benefits of that. Now, I'm going to end that here because I just want you guys to know how to access your workouts, how to access the recipes, where the nutrition guides are. Now, the last thing that I want to talk with you guys about the nutrition guides is I need you to look at the Ultimate Portion Fix and figure out what container category you are in, because sometimes if you don't know why you're not losing weight, you might not be eating enough. And these portion control containers can really help. If you can see, there's a few different containers in each of these. And on top of that, these are fantastic for just traveling. Kids love it. They're colored. It's really easy. It's really simple. And after using these consistently for about 2 to 3 weeks, they'll get into the flow of it. And knowing your portion sizes on your plate will become more intuitive because you're used to seeing the portions on your plate, right? So these are really good to kind of get back on track. Know if you're eating enough, know if you're not, maybe you need to eat more, etc. Now, in the 2B Mindset Tracker, there's a few things here where it says, here's breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you can track it. It can even let yourself know, did you poop today? And another fun thing that I love about this, though, is instead of going back and tracking, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and place my meals that I want to make for the day. So I'm kind of planning ahead. I'm not tracking behind me and maybe feeling a little bit guilty about some things. That's not what this is about. This is to make this for you. And if you're noticing that tracking isn't working, maybe if you want to go ahead and plan out what you want to eat and then just do a little check mark off by if you did that or not. So if I know what I want to eat tomorrow for the day or for the week, I can just go ahead and write it in. That way I'm not guessing. I can just look at what day I'm on, and I can look at what I'm supposed to eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I can just go forth and create what I wrote down for myself to make. So that's another way to use this tracker. Obviously, it's not the way the program was intended to, so I recommend trying the program as it was intended to. And if you need to add in what I just said, there's that there as well. And obviously the Beachbody Guide to Nutrition and everything like that. So welcome, you guys. Welcome to our group. I'm so excited to do all of this next few months with you and beyond. Please let me know if you have any questions. Drop them in the group. Always email me on my Gmail account, LynnLifeFitLife@gmail.com. If you have any questions, tag me in the group or message me on Facebook Messenger. That is the easiest way to get in touch with me and to ask questions. But I'm so looking forward to rocking this group with you. Good luck. I will see you in there. Bye.